What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your old remote to one of the newer type of remotes like this one. I'm going to show you real quick how to set up your remote. So you're gonna have the old remotes with you and also the new remote, whatever you want to get programmed to make this work. So my particular model truck is a LT version. I'm not sure if the LS version, I think all they have is like a button somewhere around here to change the settings. So on my particular model we do have the settings button here on the side. So all I'm gonna go is to the little I here. And then on here we have, you guys can see that, we have press the little check mark to relearn remote key. So you're gonna press it here, and then on each one of your remotes, you're gonna press the lock and the unlock button here for about 20 seconds, and then it programs it. You gotta do each remote at one time. So you do this one, wait 20 seconds, and then you do your other one, 20 seconds, and then you do your other one, 20 seconds. However many remotes you want to get programmed. Once you're done, you can go ahead and shut your key off and everything should be working. You can test it out. So you can press your unlock, your lock, and everything should be working. And that's how we get this updated key. It's a lot better. So I'll show you guys how the remote start and everything still works outside of the truck. For those of you wondering if you can just purchase any, like, I think it's 2014 through 2016 or something like that remote control and try to program it onto this truck, it will not work. So I found out the hard way. I bought a 2014 remote control on Amazon for like 20 bucks I think, and I tried to program it with the truck and it just would not program it at all. So you do have to buy the one from Boost Auto Parts. I will leave a link in the description below so you guys can copy yours right there. Like I said, it's about 40 bucks there. If you guys want to buy the OEM one that'll work for a 2014, like I said, it's gonna be cheaper, but it won't work. I don't know what's up with it, like the microchip or something inside of it, or the transmitter is just not set up for these type of trucks. This will work for like the 08 till 2012, I think. Check on their page just to make sure. And that's about it. It works really good. So I'll show you guys one more time on the outside how each one of the buttons work. It gives your truck a nice fresh look. So at least your keys. Another tip, when you guys are doing the relearn process, make sure you program each one of your remotes, even the ones that were already programmed. Otherwise they're just going to get erased from the system, and only the ones that you did the programming thing with are going to be working. So if you have the two original remotes and you only program the newest one, the other two are no longer going to be working. So keep that in mind when you guys are doing the programming. Alright, here we go one more time so you guys can see that everything works. So this is the newer key. We do have labeling back here that says Boost Auto Parts. And so we have our lock, unlock, and then our remote start still works. Now we're gonna turn it off. Keep in mind guys that if you guys don't have the factory remote start on your trucks, it's not going to work. Your truck has to come with factory remote start. The old key obviously had the remote start, so that's why it worked too, this one. So keep that in mind, because a lot of you are going to be asking, you know, can I have remote start now if I buy that key? But it won't work that way. That's about it. It's just a quick little video of a quick little upgrade that we did on the truck. Stay tuned because we are lowering the blue truck next, and I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step of how to lower your trucks, what kit I'm going with and everything. So stay tuned and make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys can watch the detailed video of how to lower your truck. My truck right now is completely stock. You guys can see it here. It's completely stock. The back does have 2-inch shackles, lowering shackles, so it's leveled out, but it's still stock. We have a big gap here, so make sure you guys tune into the videos coming up. That kit should be arriving soon, and as soon as it comes by, we're gonna start installing it into this truck. Thank you guys for watching, and tune in until next time.